This week, link one debit order or more to your bank account on the NetBank Money app to stand a chance to win an iPhone or Samsung tablet up to the value of 20,000 Rand. Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, AmaZulu 0. I'm joined by Wasande.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Come
sir.
on,
Yes, sir.
brother.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ukraine.
Look, I'm Ukraine, man. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Yeah, tell me about the game.
Look, bruh.
Yeah.
I was in Durban, eh?
Yes.
I think manje siprova AmaZulu ukuthi lento ebethi thina siyifakile win.
Yeah.
Durban.
Yeah.
I want to show you now today.
What?
Now they came to the party today because they bona ngokwabo basuka eKZN beza la.
Yeah.
Beza la.
Escopini.
Khumbula ukuthi bacomplainile ngendaba zama penalty nani. I feel like bathengale thina we don't deserve it.
Yeah.
And sibaprovile namhlanje.
But you deserve it.
Yes, we deserve it, bro.
Deserve it.
And AmaZulu they will never win a game. Never win a game.
Pirates. Never.
Okay, guys, game emnandi.
Yeah.
Sidlaleka mnandi.
Yeah.
Amajita abe grand.
Yeah.
Sesami for mina, man of the match. Awuthi yami idlalile.
So, uzwile ukuthi u-Extin utheni? Did you hear what Extin said?
Look, he's still young. He's still young.
Extin.
Yeah, he's still growing.
He's old.
Aye.
He's young.
Because the message yakhe thina silana esigodini. Yeah, akayigcine lento yakhe asinandaba nayo.
Akahlale ngayo.
Akahlale nayo.
Thank you, Jayami.